Which technologies can impact manufacturing till 2030?
Going back to what Manish is looking for, a single word would be simply AI in my mind. It is going to come easy class for the way we are going to eat it quickly. Okay. Yeah, my name is Lakshman Katapa. I am from ACC Watt. We have to complete machinery manufacturing for a pharma world, starting from granulation till it reaches to the pharmacy. So all the machinery we manufacture. One word like Manish asked me is, for me, like there is a virtual world, there is a real world where we work. Because I see every day that a lot of inefficiencies in the processes. If we can have a virtual operating world versus the real world, and where the efficiencies can be gathered, there's something like connecting to the digital world. Contributor tree. And yeah. My name is Makla Joshi. I'm probably the only one who is a odd man out because I have seen many records and almost accepting all of you are from manufacturing background. I mean, at least your company is into manufacturing. I am the one who is only to engineering services. So probably my responses or contribution will be only from that point of view. As far as your question is concerned, AI will probably disturb the entire ecosystem, entire world. But without fearing about what AI will do to us, if we could probably integrate our systems, do collaborations very well.
Probably this is something that many of us in their own interaction with team will agree that we have not done enough before we can even take over the air. There are a lot of things to do for smart workflows, for effective collaborations, right? The amount of integration that we need to do and take care of this.
You given me answer more important one word. But thank you for wishes.
Good evening all. I'm Momini Kirane. I'm working in TKRE, corporate loan at this group industries. So I'm heading the digitalization department. I'm working with CKI for more than 20 years. And as far as your one word is concerned, I would simply would like to say data. Data is more important. All things based on data. So if you have a good quality of data, then you can do it. Thanks.
Thank you. And the one I'll just interrupt. Oini was the winner of 2023 Machine Chats quiz which we conducted. She and her team had won.
Oh, this is really Peter.
Yes, yes, thank you. Yes. Good evening all. My name is Prashant Turade. I present company Prabhu Prasade. So a nice up guy. So must your
Very quick. So I take care of this assumption for this organization.
And as far as one word for the technology is concerned, as somebody has mentioned about AI and Makrandan mentioned about these technologies. I think one technology which is not properly looked at is computer vision technology, which I think is
Could be through plate changer, this vision here. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Hi, my name is Prashant Kumar. I come from Susanu, so I take care of it, hazardous business and rates. So, one technology, I would not say one technology, but a group of technology, but the name is one, which is called APM. So, APM Solutions, Asset Performance Management Solution. It's a framework of strategies, tools, softwares. So, now our product or our solution can cater to everything. So, in near future, I see APM has a big potential, and some products are also there called APM. So I see APM can be a game changer for every industry, particularly in math. Thank you, President. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Kavi this side. So I'm leading the operations at JSW Group. So we are into basically vector the storage system. So I'm leading the operations part. I think that technically what I find in from last 50 years, I am pinned into the manufacturing sector. And I think the IT and OT, that is a single word for him. Because that is where it set up a core market. Thank you.
Hi, everybody. I'm Rajiv Vittal. I'm CIO of Ambulance Technologies, YouTube.
Experience is a auto manufacturing company. So from one word point of view, of course, it is not a particular technology per se, but I would say a smart factory for the manufacturing.
Smart. That's key. Yes, sir. I am Ravi Nanda from Thermax. Basically, I'm associated with operations, but my experience is actually related to VD factories, starting from China and one more factory in Chennai and now in Pune. Now I'm associated with our water business. And the one word which I have associated with is the tricky ideas. That means each one is like manufacturing execution system. Interesting. Subhash.
Hello everyone. So I am Shivas Singh Banjati. I am with Deepak Fertilizers. We manufacture fertilizers, greenhouse chemicals, and technical ammonium nitrate, which is used for the explosives. And also we have got real estates, like great city, what we say, early exploration, so four sector. One word, smart factory. Because it is not one, it's a one word, but there's no how. What you said, ABS is part of it, data is part of it, AI is part of it, ML is part of it. So when we say smart factory, it's a combination of everything, and then we can say it is smart. So again, can say about robotics, whatsoever you said, Maniji, everything is there in smart factory.
Okay, nice. Okay, on all encompassing smart factory. Yes, sir.
No, I'm Sindhu Bamban. My first time in this very great to see you all, great to meet you all. About John Deere is the world leader in manufacturing of agricultural equipment, construction equipment, wood basic business. And with 108 years of legacy, it's a huge company at enterprise standpoint. So one thing that I'm excited about, I think many of you spoke about AI, right? I think I'm excited about AI because AI is going to disrupt the way we do things, right? I think it's already started to replace most of the things that we have done in the past, which took a lot of time. So it's driving efficiency in the way we do things. Then certainly speed at which you're able to deliver things, and value, like what I was talking about earlier, right? So the other thing is that it's going to be transformed as a customer experience. Customer experience is going to be transformed because I brought up aftermarket customer support at application side. So basically, one of the things that we are looking at is how we shape this customer experience up, getting service John Deere, and that should be a differentiator for them to come to buy and service machines.
Awesome. Yeah. Hi. Good evening, everyone. I'm Siddharth Gujrati. I represent Serum Institute, the vaccine manufacturers, in capacity of enterprise applications and high-tech plans. And before I go to the one word, might overtake and change things, status quo, I would like to briefly elaborate why. Because in this world wherein there is authentic data and there is quote-unquote generated data, I think one undervalued technology is blockchain. I think that might also play a big in the coming years.
Especially in a sector with geopolitics.
It's a very sector. Now we see digital money and money. So I think let's go to this job.
I was tweaking your say COVID part data and PC.
And it's okay.
I'm just joking. Thinking about COVID part 2.
In terms of data, I won't. Yeah. We never. Whether COVID-1 is over, I don't think. We don't know for sure whether it is COVID-2 or COVID-1.
Correct. Serious, yeah. At least we don't need food. We do.
Good evening all, I'm Shreyas Pollapure. I'm from Sanvik Coromet. Sanvik Coromet is a leading manufacturer of tools, sound tools and itself, it's threads and taps. And I look after the digital innovation hub globally for all of product shipments. But the one word I still have a dilemma whether one word we describe. I would call it in a different way. I can't be more in smart manufacturing. I would call it as IT enabled engineering. IT enabled AI. Nice. Okay.
Yeah. Hi, good evening all. I'm Vivek. I work as director of Thaka IKEA. Thaka IKEA is a GCC for Thaka. We make commercial vehicles under the brand name of half Ethiopian Candle Canadian.
We've got our setup area begins from IT, purchasing, and to the divisions. Otherwise, to answer your question on one word, I think to me it will be artificial general intelligence. It's a combination of AI and public of scales. However, I would like to couple data analytics and data streaming with it, because if the leadership doesn't have the access to the right data in that factory, the decision making is paralyzed most often. So it could be, I see future as AI combining a big data analytics, platform like transformations for people enable that cohesive product.